I don't know. I've never been.
Recording. I'll just edit this part.
I know. I don't know if we can.
Alright, what's up guys? My name is Jason. This is the very first episode. Today I am joined by Melnard and
Steven.
Okay. Just talk over me, you know, it's fine. Anyways, these guys are powerlifters. They like to eat healthy. They like to eat lean. So that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, just talk over me. That's fine too. So what we have here is some salmon. And we're gonna make some salmon with a nice little vegetable medley. But first, we have to descale the salmon. Steven,
So,
two of these guys with rice vinegar. Or maybe more. You could do like 4.
wait.
Right? 2 or 3 of that. 1, 2, and the third one. Okay. Alright, just like a good heaping spoonful of that. Steven, you're so massive, you're just blocking the camera, you know?
Those angles. Oh.
The other way? The other way, yeah. Do you have a bowl?
Whoa, why'd you... Fuck. We're supposed to go that deep into it. Holy shit. I should have supervised better. So Steven went really ham with this. When you originally grate, when you use zest, what you're supposed to do is just use like the outside until you get to the white.
Oh, I went far beyond that.
Yes, yes you did.
Too strong.
Nasty shot. Need help on it?
Oh.
No, stop.
Okay. And I'll make sure to let that sit for at least about 20 minutes or so.
Oh, no, we were 20 minutes. I'm hungry.
Oh no.
Cool. Have you cut bell peppers before?
Yes, but not finely diced.
Oh, you're gonna find.
So you cut them.
Cut them around the side, this way. So therefore you don't get the seeds everywhere.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Learn something every day, man.
I mean, you don't want like this light
Before I
part
just
here.
cut it.
Same.
Wow. You cut it around it.
Because this part you don't even want because it's bigger. Right?
I don't know how much to put.
You don't. You just eyeball it.
True.
I don't know. I don't really use recipes too much.
Oh.
Like sort of look at it, see what they do,
Same.
see what the
Same.
concepts are,
Same.
and then just use my
Eyeball.
own palate
Yeah.
and eyeball. I think it's a better way to cook that way. That way you learn more and sort of taste
It's like
things a
it's
bit
like
more.
using RVE for cooking.
Oh yeah.
Instead of getting percentages, you're just like, oh, this is how it's supposed to feel.
Smells really nice.
Huh?
Smells really good.
Yeah, so the corn's still cold. So I always like put it clockwise so I know which one I put in first. And therefore you know which one to flip first. And then can you get the rosemary, Steven?
Where?
Try this on. Oh.
Still in Steven cut.
Yeah.
What?
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I want to thank my friends Melnard and Steven for coming in, making this awesome dish. We haven't even tried it. We'll try it.
awesome.
Yeah,
Soon.
it's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, see you guys.
See ya.